What's up guys, Electro here and welcome back to Construction Sim 2015. We are going to pick up exactly where we left off, which is going for a new mission. So I'm going to jump straight back into the job market. And we will, what will we go for? So we've done a couple of container transports. I don't really want to do that at the moment. We've got some minor gardening work, a roof extension, and a single family house and a single family house fanatic, which gives us 36,000 credits. I'll tell you what, we are going to go for that. So we're going to get 4 small bricks, clay bricks from the materials trader, transport the cargo to the marked area at the construction site. Then we're going to go and get 4 small roof tiles from the materials trader and transport the cargo to the construction site and then to insulation materials. So this is just a transport job by the looks of it. We're going to go and accept that and we will crack on. So this is always going to be in this little truck. I think I disconnected the trailer. No, yes I didn't. And we're going to go off to the materials trader, which isn't this way, is it? No, it's not. That's our construction site. We need to go here first. Mind the sign, and yeah, we're on our way. That's another lovely sunny day. I don't think it ever rains in this job, does it? We're obviously in a particular part of Germany that doesn't see any rain other than, or doesn't see any change in the weather other than pure sunshine, which is great. I don't actually see a clock anywhere either, so I imagine that it's always sunny, always daytime. I haven't seen anything else that would suggest otherwise. We'll just drop the sides of the truck down and we're going to run and sprint round to Matey Boy round the front. Okay, so I've forgotten what we needed. We did need 4 small bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, do we still need the rental vehicle? No, because we have it already. And it's round the back. Don't seem to have to pay anything for this, which is good. I should think about purchasing a new vehicle. Yeah, okay. Probably will have to now I've crashed into this one. Okay, that's our cargo fastened. We'll just move her up a bit. I'm going to put 2 on this side and 2 on the other. So this looks like it's probably just going to be a forklift mission. That's what we're going to spend the vast majority of our time doing. So I tried playing this game with the G27 wheel. Jesus, that was near on impossible. That's not good. Probably not going to reach that properly. There we go. That's better. Don't understand why that doesn't want to tilt. Ah, there we go. I don't know what the problem was there. So these don't look like grey bricks to me. These look like red bricks. Oh, they're tiles, aren't they? Clay tiles, so maybe it is right. Yeah, so the G27. You can get it to work with this game, but it's a little bit fiddly, if I'm honest. Certainly when you come to use the digger and this, the forklift. Only because although there are enough buttons on it, it's just a lot easier to use the Xbox controller for a game like this. We're going to put these two on this side. Or at least try to. I don't think I'll get any more on in terms of the other products that we need. Ooh. Sometimes it's hard to gauge the height that we need on this. I'm just going to miss that racking. I think it needs to go a bit lower. Probably still lower still. Yes. Again, I don't know why that doesn't tilt. When you're right up close to the racking, it should be able to. There's enough room there. And we're just going to pop our last one on. Lovely, and we're just going to stick the forklift back over here. Okay, that's us done with the forklift for now. Just fasten the fasten the cargo. I think that's them all fastened, is it? Doesn't look like it to me, but oh, there's straps there, and yeah, there are. Okay. And then we'll take this back to the construction site, offload this. I'm not sure how we're going to offload it, but we'll have a look. I think we can probably just tip it. At least that's what I'm hoping for. You probably wouldn't want to do that in real life because they're clay tiles and they'll break. And I imagine they're quite expensive. So, past, you wait there, mister. Past the home depot. Wait for that sprinter to get out of the way. Up here, and we are turning left. Ah, okay, top of this hill then. Something tells me we're probably going to need the digger, maybe, I don't know. So there's our marked area. That is not going to work. I think I need to reverse in there. Yes, I will need to. Now this thing isn't very good reversing into or up banks, certainly when you've got the trailer on. So we want to unfasten the cargo. That's that done. Jump back in and we'll give it a go in terms of tipping. I'm not 100% sure this is going to work, but come on, I don't want to damage them. I don't think they will damage, but wow. So we've gone up a level now, so we're an excellent apprentice. Okay, get rid of that. This can go back down, and we're on to task 2 of 2. And that's to get the roof tiles. So, sorry, what was that we just delivered then? That was bricks, wasn't it? Roof tiles grey. Now we've got to get the insulation materials. Okay. So we're going to go back down to the materials trader. I think it's down here, yeah it was, yeah. So, initial impressions of this game, now we're probably about an hour in. I do like it, it's the graphics are good, the gameplay's good fun. There's enough in it to keep you interested, I would suggest, because you can unlock different vehicles. So at the moment we've got this flatbed truck, we've got the small mini excavator, and we've got the container lorry, which is more like a skip lorry if I'm honest. Just drop those sides down. And you can buy an additional, I think it's 12 vehicles, so we can go to the vehicle dealer and get some additional vehicles. I've also got the download, the extra download, which gives you I think some of the mobile cranes and stuff like that. So we need 4 of these, don't we? Was it 4? Oh crap, no. So I've just spent 8,000 too much, haven't I? Don't need those damn tiles. So yeah, there's a bit of a problem. Firstly, that was my issue. I should have read the instructions a bit better, but equally the things you need, even though you've already completed part of it, don't disappear from that menu. So as I was saying, there are plenty of vehicles on here. There's plenty to keep you interested, keep your interest peaked, definitely. And I don't know why I do like these forklift things. It could have been so easy for them just to ignore the forklifts on these and gone for you simply driving in, speaking to the guy, and then they're on the back of the truck. So adding the forklift into the game, I think, is a really good thing, because it's one of the funner machines. Funner, is that even a word? I don't know. It's certainly one of the better machines to drive. Kind of mimics it in real life, really. I've driven a forklift before, and it's obviously you're not using an Xbox controller to do it, but certainly the look and feel is very similar. Certainly when you're like this, because you can't actually see what you're doing normally. But you can if you put this up here, obviously. But Generally, the higher a load is on a forklift, the more unstable it is. Okay. Tell you what, actually I think we probably did buy those tiles okay. Because we used the red ones earlier on, didn't we? And these are not red. They're the grey ones, so we will need them in a minute. Which is fine. I just don't think... I won't have room to put them on at the moment. If I had a bigger lorry, which I think after this mission we will probably go and buy, so stick with me for the moment. I'll go and get rid of the insulation, and then we'll go back and get those tiles, and I think we'll go to the vehicle dealer as a last thing. Come on, idiots, move out of the way. And we'll buy a bigger truck. So we're just going to go back past the home base and up to the construction site, which you can see I think has had some work done already whilst we've been away. So yeah, as I say, initial impressions of the game. I do enjoy it. The gameplay's really good, graphics are okay. The controls probably could do with a little bit of work. It would be good if... I mean, it probably does. It's probably just me, but it would be better if it worked flawlessly with the G27. I imagine it will do. It's a bit of a pain in the arse to get it working. But in terms of reality, true to life stuff, yeah, it's quite a good game. If I'm honest, this is the first one they've done, I think, and therefore it will probably be even better next time round. So if they're going to release Construction Sim 2016, 2017, I don't know, that will really be a game to watch for, I think. The physics on the game are really good. We'll have to try and reverse these back in, otherwise they're not going to be in the marked area, are they? Are they even in the marked area? They're not. No, why not? Okay, that hasn't worked, has it? Oh, okay, no it has. Task 1 of 3. Forced move. Okay, hang on. Stage 1. Bricks, roof tiles. Ah, hang on, we've bought the insulation too early. That's why. See, I need to read instructions properly. Now, actually it's probably going to work out quite well, because I wanted to test this anyway. If I bring more than one set of materials to the construction site at one time, does it then... Ooh, we're braking for this guy. Hitting the sign. Does it mean that we clear 2 of those objectives in one? Let's have a look. So, because the roof tiles, the insulation's already there because we've taken it down. So let's go and have a look. We'll go and pick up the roof tiles. Oh, see, the physics are quite good. It probably would take you that long to brake. Come on, idiot. Certainly more so when the vehicle's loaded. So yeah, this will be the ultimate test. Well, perhaps not the ultimate, but let's see. Okay, that'll do. Drop the sides. Oh, we don't need to go and buy anything, do we? Because we've already bought it. So we can enter the forklift. We'll put the roof tiles, these grey ones, on. See, with a bigger truck, I reckon you can probably get more than 4 pallets on. Ooh, Jesus, that was close. That was about to send it right over the back. Got some more contracts available. The last 2 pallets, and then we'll see if our ideas worked. I'm hoping it has, because then that means when we get the bigger truck, we can put more on at once, so we can probably, I mean, I imagine the missions will give us more to do anyway, because we're going to be doing bigger houses and things like that, so but yeah, it might give us more scope, as it were, to put on more pallets. So for example, we could have done these 4 and the 2 insulation pallets as well, couldn't we? We just have to wait and see if that works. So last pallet. Sometimes it's hard to judge the that's not good. Well, it's on there. It will do. Yeah, it's because we picked it up one-sided. I'm not sure this is going to work putting on this bed, but we'll have a look and see. If it falls off, doesn't it? What we can do is this. Probably won't want to do that in real life because they're clay tiles and they'll break. But for our objective, actually that's quite good because they look quite. Hang on, they look quite flush. So attach that cargo. Sides are back up, I think. Yep. And let's go. Hopefully I've missed that van. Yeah, I think I did. Let's go back to the construction site and we will see if our objective of multiple deliveries at once has worked. If it hasn't, I think we can probably just nudge the insulation out of the marked area and we'll see what happens with that. I'm not going to wait around for him, getting impatient. It's probably only a 30-mile-an-hour road, but we're doing about 40 odd kilometres, so it's about 30 miles. We're going left again. We're going to ignore the guy. Oh, I thought he was crossing them, that's good. So we're going to go up the hill to the construction site and then we are nearly done. As I said, guys, what we probably will do is go to the dealer, the vehicle dealer. So this is a moment of truth. Yeah, vehicle dealer, and then we'll have a look at what else we can buy. Detach the cargo. I'm going to go in and up with this. Ah, so yes, it did work. We did those 2 in 1, which is good. We're now a bootstrap puller, whatever that means. So we can earn 100,000 with construction contracts, and we've got 1,000 XP on that, which is good. So we've now leveled up to an aspiring journeyman, and we've got a new special mission. When the lorry stops jumping around, we can probably read this. So stage 1, 14,000. Stage 2, 22,000, which was good. And now, lovely, we are stuck in the fence, which is great. What I can probably do is reset the vehicle. Go to company, motor pool. We are in the flatbed truck. We want to reset it. Yes, we do. We're still on the fence. That's not good. Yes, I'll probably need to purchase a new vehicle because we're now stuck. Yeah, we're on the fence. That's not good. I'll tell you what, we will take this back to the home base. Good, that worked. Right. What we need to do now is, can we go to... No, we can't because we haven't been there yet, have we? What jobs have we got available, and what was that special job? So, special job was a new vehicle. So we need to go talk to the foreman and talk to Gerd. Tell you what, let's do that because we were going to go to the vehicle dealer anyway, weren't we? So I think the foreman is here. Yes. He's going to tell us to buy a new vehicle. So, hey, Electro, I've just checked our funds and I think it's time to extend our vehicle fleet. Make a trip to the vehicle dealer. Maybe they can help us. Or maybe they can make us a good offer. Yep, that sounds good. I'll show you the location on the map. Just ask for Gerd. I know him from the good old days. You can't miss him. He's a giant of a man. I'll tell him that you're coming. Okay, I'll check if they have any good offers for us. So we're going to go to the vehicle dealer now. I'm going to take the white MAN flatbed. Probably the quickest lorry to get there in. And go in on the internal view because it keeps the sound down. Can't hear what I'm doing otherwise. We've gone the wrong way to start with, so we're going to have to turn left here. We do a bit of overtaking because it's going green anyway. Yes, it did. And then we're going to go around the bend here. Through the tunnel. Okay, so we're going to go through the tunnel. It's a good job we're on the internal view because it's insanely loud otherwise. And what I'll do, guys, we've done this journey before, so I'll pause the video here and I will catch up with you at the vehicle dealership. Okay guys, so we are now at the vehicle dealership and we're going to go and speak to Gerd. So, who's this? You must be Electro. My old friend Pete told me you were coming. How is the old rascal? Yeah, you came at the right time, by the way. I've got a few new vehicles that might interest you. There is something for everybody. Oh yeah, you must be Gerd. Nice to meet you too. As far as I know, Pete is fine. And yes, we would like to increase our vehicle fleet by one vehicle. By one vehicle, come on. Let me make you an offer you can't refuse. I'll sell you a fleet of the most modern construction machines for a price you won't find anywhere else. One step at a time. I think one is enough for now. The big flatbed truck with a crane is really nice. Yeah, it sure is a beauty with the integrated crane loading and unloading pallets and other stuff. It's easy as pie. Look, I'll make you a great offer, and if you buy a vehicle you can try it out right here on our premises. Good to know. Give me some time to look around. No problem at all. Before I forget, if you don't need your vehicle anymore, or if you run out of space for vehicles, you can bring it back to me and I will buy it back for 75% of the original purchase price. It's definitely something to consider. Just take your time and let me know if you find something you like. Oh cool, so we can sell vehicles as well. We got 200 XP for that, but nothing in terms of payment because we didn't really do anything. So we can we get in these and drive them? No. What about this one? No. No. I think we're probably going to be able to drive them eventually. There's the big sort of Liebherr tower cranes that we're going to end up using. Can we get in this? nope, and nope. So there's more of these trucks around the back. And nothing else. Okay, so I think we have to speak to Gerd again, do we? To try the vehicles out. Let's go and have a look. We'll go and speak to Gerd. Hello, Gerd. Okay, so yeah, we probably do. Vehicles he has. We've already got a small flatbed with crane. So I think it's the same vehicle, isn't it? It's just got a crane on. We've got the deposit tipper. Oh, roller, that's interesting. Roller. Small excavator. Small half-pipe truck. Low boy. I think that's a low loader. Half-pipe truck. Concrete mixer, wheel loader, tower crane, concrete pump, flatbed crane, or flat top crane, sorry, large excavator and a mobile crane. That's interesting. So trailers, small trailer, low boy, and the flatbed semi. And we can import some. Not sure what that means. Okay, so we want to buy this one, don't we? How do I try it out without buying? So I think what this means is that's the vehicle type. It's MAN, that's the dealer. It's going to cost us 85,000 credits. I'm not sure what that is, 850, and I think that one's maintenance, possibly. Yeah, possibly. So, okay, well, we need to buy this anyway, so we shall purchase. And we bought our first vehicle, which gives us another unlock, so that's the first time machine. And that's given us 20,000 credits back, so that's not bad, is it? So where is our purchased vehicle? To be fair, we could probably sell that one now, if we didn't need it. Oh, there it is. So we can try it out here, can't we? Enter the flatbed truck. So yeah, X does exactly the same. Now this doesn't do anything. Outriggers need to be lowered. Okay, so I don't need to hold the right mouse button for this. Outriggers just come down with a press of the D-pad down. That pushes us up. Okay, outriggers fully deployed. Now I can press B and we go into the mode that I will unfold this crane. Right, that's now folded fully, so... Okay, that does that. Don't probably need to do that. So if I hold down, that doesn't do anything either. I need to press up. That will unfold the crane. No, that's not working either. Right, so I don't know how to unfold this fully. Maybe I need to turn it first. No. That's not working at all. Okay, so how do I get the help up? That's it. That's the horn. That gets me in and out. Ah, here we go. Didn't really work as expected. So up and down on the what's that? The right stick does this. That extends the crane out. Okay, so it's got quite a reach on it. It is just like a Hiab truck, basically. In order to fold it, we do that so it's all the way in. Is that right? Yeah, so it stays folded as it is, and then we unfold it this way. That can turn round. Okay. That makes sense. And then the outriggers. Just go up like that, that's fine. And put the flatbed up. And then we're ready to go. Okay. Tell you what, I'm going to port that back to our home base. We'll see where that ends up. If it ends up there at all. And it did. In the space of the other white one. So actually I'm going to go and pick up the other truck, which is the small flatbed. And then I will port this one back. You never know if we're going to need these vehicles. We don't. Yeah, so smashing, guys. Look, that is now our fleet. So we have our trailer and our 2 white MAN trucks, the mini excavator, and the deposit truck. Quick look, and we'll see what jobs are available for us. So we've got another special job. We can talk to the foreman, earth from the gravel plant, 6 spruces, and the project manager we need to speak to. We've got another tutorial, so we can do that for the flatbed with the crane. 2 more container transports, modern size family home, gardening for the Miller family, and a roof extension for the Smith family. So I think what we'll do next time around, guys, is we will do the flatbed truck with the crane, and I will probably use that vehicle to do this mission here, which is another special job. So yeah, I think that's probably what we will do. Guys, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in Construction Sim 2015. Take care.